Hi, so I would like to go over with you all how I came to the final result of my copper red highlights for my beautiful niece, Leanne. Here you see me blow drying her hair out, preparing her hair for the highlight process. Leanne has natural hair, so we wanted to make sure that for even application and an even result, that her hair was stretched to as much as we possibly can. I did use Red Ken heat protection, heat safe actually, for this process, just to make sure that her hair was protected during this heat process. Here you can see Leanne's hair has been fully stretched, and I'm now preparing to part her hair in preparation for her highlights, of which I work on a diagonal. And the reason why I work on a diagonal is so then it has a nice natural result and not too stripy. My colour choice is Wella, as you can see here. Just showing you the products that I'm going to be using today. I have applied, and as you can see, it is on a diagonal. Application is on a diagonal, and here I am showing you that I am actually highlighting her hair towards her face. Okay, on a diagonal towards her face. I've slowed down this next section just to show you that there's no shame in separating a section of hair into two, just to make sure that you have an even result, of which I did here, because there was so much hair in that one section of hair that I separated it into two and then did my weaving. And then to create a natural result, gave her a bit of a back comb before applying my bleach. When I apply my bleach, when I apply my foils, and to put the bleach on the foil, I make sure that I go up to the line of where the where the back comb is, so then it doesn't get too messy and bitsy and pixelated on the actual bit where it's been back combed. The wash result, as you can see, there's different tones because I didn't use a high peroxide. I just used the one for colour touch actually, just so then I didn't have to get it too light. And here you can see where I have applied 644 as a colour touch, semi-permanent, and here is the final result. Well, not final result, but you know, the rinsed result afterwards before blow dry. I've now blow dried the hair. After blow dry, give it a good cut or a trim, whatever the hair may need or is required. You may want to do a pixie cut or whatever you need to do to make the hair look expensive, seamless, and in good condition. I have recently revisited my oven tongs, which I'm super happy about, and I actually now, from when I'm doing home hair, can't stop using them. So anytime that anyone is coming to my home, do not be surprised that I have back out my oven tongs. Happy to say. Here you can see we're just talking to the children, to the parents, having a bit of play, playing about with it, working out what product to use. Decided to use Giovanni as a finishing product. And here we are. Final result. Very, very happy. Beautiful copper red, seamless, natural looking highlights. Thank you.